Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Kelvin here. So right now, whenever you transfer your money into Tiger Brokers, your money is just sitting there, waiting for you to buy the dip. Yes, that's right, the money is doing nothing like a lazy bum bum. Don't worry, I have good news for you. Recently, Tiger Brokers had just launched their new cash management account called Cash Plus. With Cash Plus, you will finally earn higher returns on that lazy bum bum money. Best of all, it's completely free to use. So in this video, I will tell you everything you need to know about the Tiger Brokers new Cash Plus account. What is it? How does it work? What are the returns? How to use it? And all the good stuff. But before I start, I would greatly appreciate it if you can help to tap the like button. In return, I will show you a cute chibi tiger. Alright, let's start right now. So what is a Cash Plus account? Basically, it's a cash management account that lets you generate better returns on your idle money. Currently, the expected yield is around 0.8%. You'll be like, hey, so little, my Alma Milo teen money can earn more than that lah. But remember, right now your idle money in Tiger Brokers is earning 0%. So 0.8% return is better than 0%. Best of all, Tiger Brokers does not charge you anything for this. Here are a few more details. The Cash Plus account lets you deposit SGD, USD and Hong Kong dollars. When depositing in, the minimum deposit is 1 SGD or 1 USD or 5 Hong Kong dollar. No maximum deposit. So if you are some rich Saudi prince and wants to deposit $1 million, can, no problem. On the other hand, for withdrawal, there's no minimum and maximum withdrawal. Just a very small cash. There's a small time delay for the transaction to complete. If you deposit or withdraw before 12 PM, the funds will arrive after 1 business day at 3:30 PM. Or if you deposit or withdraw after 12 PM, the funds will arrive after 2 business days at 3:30 PM. Also, take note that if there are holidays for the currency's country, the transaction will be delayed. For example, if you transfer USD and US has a holiday, then the transaction will take 1 extra day to complete. In most cases, this won't be a problem. However, let's say if you see your favorite stock like AMC or GameStop suddenly going to the moon and you need the money to join your Age Together Strong movement now, like right now, then you can use the quick withdraw function to withdraw the money immediately. However, take note that the quick withdraw feature has a 0.05% fee. Also, there's a daily limit of HGD 100k or USD 100k or 500k Hong Kong dollar for this feature. Next, when you deposit your funds into Cash Plus, Tiger Brokers will be the custodian for the funds, and the funds will be held in another MAS licensed bank, which are held separately from Tiger Brokers' own funds. One more thing, Tiger Brokers is MAS regulated. Next, let's talk about the underlying funds. So, when you deposit your money into Cash Plus, you will be invested into Lion Global Tiger Brokers Managed Reserves Fund. You know the name is epic when it has lion and tiger in the same sentence. If you check the fund holdings, let's quickly go through all of them. Cash is cash lah. MAS bills are the Singapore government bonds. The bonds have a AAA credit rating. In Asian families, AAA just means average. But to us, AAA credit rating means that these are investment grade bonds and the chances of default are very low. Next, for Lion Global Money Market Fund, it invests in short-term government and corporate bonds, but the focus is more on financial sector bonds, so it's very low risk stuff. It gave about 1.2% annualized returns. As you can see, the price has been going up steady from PP. For Lion Global Enhanced Liquidity Fund, it is also very similar to the previous fund, short-term bonds, but the focus is more on real estate and financial sector, 1.6% annualized returns and very steady chart. Finally, the Lion Global Short Duration Bond Fund, it gives higher weightage to real estate sector bonds. The returns is slightly higher at 3.9% annualized. Similarly, the chart is a straight line up. As you can see, all these funds are consistent in their performance. However, take note that this fund is still considered an investment. So, in the short term, there's still a small amount of risk involved here. Next, as mentioned earlier, there's a 0% fee for using the Cash Plus account. However, because your money is invested in a fund, there's a 0.5% fund level fee. That's for sure otherwise the fund manager, Mr. Chu here, will have to eat air, drink rainwater already. But luckily, you don't have to pay anything. It's already priced into the fund's returns. So out of pocket fee from you is still 0. Okay, now I want to quickly show you how to use the Cash Plus account. First, make sure your app version is at least 7.1.1. Otherwise, you won't be able to use the Cash Plus account. In the app, you can tap on Me, Cash Plus account, then deposit. Choose the currency, then enter how much you want to deposit. And tada! Your money will start earning some returns soon. Now, let's say if you want to use the money now, just how to withdraw the money. Go back to Me, Cash Plus account, withdrawal. You can withdraw the normal way, which will take a short while to complete. But if you cannot wait, you want the money immediately, In that case, you can use quick withdrawal, which will have a 0.05% commission. So that was how to use the Cash Plus account. By the way, if you haven't signed up to Tiger Brokers yet, you can sign up using my link down below. Then if you deposit 2000 HUD, you will get one free Apple share worth around $150. Take note, it must be your first deposit. If you deposit $1 for the first time, then you won't have any Apple share already. You will also get 500 Tiger coins, which can be exchanged for cashbacks when you buy shares, and 60 commission-free trades within 180 days. But wait, that's not all. Right now, there's 2 Cash Plus account promotions going on. For the first promotion, if you are a rich Saudi prince and deposit at least 100k into Cash Plus account, then keep the funds in there till 8 November 12 PM, you will earn some free cash. For the second promotion, if you deposit some money into the account and hold till 8 November 12 PM, you will qualify for 1% annualized return during the initial offering period. For more details, you can check the link in the description below. Anyway, that was a quick review of the Tiger Brokers Cash Plus account. Personally, I've been waiting for this feature for a very long time because it lets me earn extra money on my idle cash while waiting to invest the money. So do try it out and let me know what do you think. Anyway, that's all for today. Like, share and subscribe as I'll be posting new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday.